Hi, well we have some more natural materials to show you that we've collected and dried. And in this box, these are kind of some of my favorite little things that I've dried. I've never dried California poppies this way. So I set them down in the borax down like this, and the stem was straight out, and so they dried kind of flat. So they'll make a neat little like a parasol, or a fairy could hold one. You know, you could do different things like that. These are peony flowers, and they still need to be sprayed with a matte finish or dusted off first with a little delicate paintbrush. This is the peony flower too. This is a mum, and white flowers a lot of times don't dry true to their color. They kind of fade and get a little off-white, but it's still really pretty. This is another peony. This is a beautiful rose that I think this one I might have just air dried, where you just set it out on something like this. And these are little calendulas that I dried that really turned out cute. And these are ranunculus that dried really well in the borax mixture, and a yellow one, and the poppies. The hollyhocks. And so, and then this is one of the hollyhocks. As it dries up, as they dry, finish blooming and dry, they kind of shrivel up into this little, which this looks like a perfect little skirt for a fairy or a dress. So that's those things. And then one of my other favorite flowers to dry are hydrangeas, and they can just be dried in a vase of water. So